Good morning, welcome to MarineMax Stuart. My name is Benjamin Patchen, and I'm excited to show you the 2020 Scout 195 Sportfish. As you walk around the boat, you see it's got a really pretty shear line. Something people have come to see a lot with the Scouts. Yamaha Motor 150, pretty much bulletproof. Can't go wrong there. Let's go aboard and take a closer look. As you board the boat, you immediately see the helm. You've got your Yamaha gauge set up, shifted throttle. You've got a fusion stereo system. Really nice setup here. This is pretty cool too. This can be pulled out for days when you're going to fish real hardcore. Gain a couple rod holders, and that converts to a leaning post. You got your live well here. As we move to the front of the boat, you've got a nice sun pad. Underneath the sun pad, you've got dedicated storage. We've got a Yeti Cooler here. And then as you look here, got a head in there. This boat's also equipped with the TTop, very nice feature. I can confidently say that this 19 is one of the best running boats in its class as far as the ride quality. If you'd like to know more, please call me, Benjamin Patchen, 561-657-9377 at MarineMax Stuart, and I'll take you for a ride. Thank you.